Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to do today a super quick video on how to relieve your engorgement. So if you're going through engorgement now, or if you're a soon-to-be mommy, you have to know about this. I had to try different things to help with my engorgement, and what engorgement means is just like 2 to 3 days after you have your baby, it becomes like Thanksgiving feast for your baby. Your body's like known that you've had a baby and ready to just let the baby feast. And the problem with that is that all the milk comes at once, so your boobs are like huge and it's painful and it hurts to touch it. It hurts to even think about it, to be honest with you. And if you've already been through this in the past, well, with me, when I went through it with Max, now that I've had the baby, she's a month old today. When I was about to have her, I went back to look for the YouTube video where I found the solution to my engorgement, and I couldn't find it. So I decided that I should do a video just to help whoever might be going through that problem now. And it's going to be super quick. So I have here what you're going to need, and this is like exactly what I use. So it's like a little bowl with hot water. So you want the water to be as hot as possible, as hot as you think you can handle it. And like a washcloth or like a little hand towel, and a breast pump. I have my breast pump that is the electric one, but when I first used this method with Max, I used the hand pump, and both have worked really, really well. So neither one really made a difference with how it worked, just because I think that it's the hot water and the cloth that actually help release all the milk. So what you're gonna do is get a bowl of really hot water. You're gonna get the towel, and you're gonna put it in the water. Okay, so now I'm doing this with one hand. I need my hands. Okay, so I'm gonna need a second to put this little baby mama down. Okay, I'm back, and here we go. So you're gonna put the towel in the hot water. You're gonna wring out the towel, and so the water is gonna be hot. Okay, so you're gonna wring it out, and like I said, you only need one towel. You're only gonna need one towel, and you're gonna put the towel over one boob. So like you're gonna want let me put this out of the way. You're gonna want the towel to cover your whole boob, okay? And you're gonna do this like 3 to 5 minutes before you're ready to start pumping, okay? So you're gonna pretty much the heat is gonna release the milk from your milk ducts, and it's gonna take 3 to 5 minutes for it to start working. So you're gonna put it over your boob, and I have my machine here. I have the Medela breast pump. This is electric. I should plug it in just so you guys can see really, really quick. I highly recommend this machine. It is awesome, and it doesn't hurt. That's what I loved about it. I remember the manual breast pump was a little bit more painful than this one. So you just plug in the air hose, and then this, and then here it has like the different suction levels. And you can actually do 2 boobs at once. It comes with double the hoses, and it has a little attachment for it for you to do 2 boobs at once. Anyways, so you're gonna have the wet hot towel over one boob for a few minutes. You're gonna leave it on there, and then when you're ready, the 3 to 5 minutes have gone by, you're gonna take it off, and then you're gonna do the other side. You're gonna do the other boob. So that way, when you're working on this one, when you start suctioning on this one is preparing in the meantime, okay? So then this one goes over here while this one is already suctioning, okay? So then the heat from the rag is gonna make your milk just flow out. It is the best solution that I could find for engorged boobs. And I have pretty big boobs. I have breast implants. So my pain was probably worse than labor. I can't even express how much it hurts when your boobs are engorged. And I found the video. Yes. I found the YouTube video that showed me how to do this at 3 in the morning, and at 3 in the morning, yeah. For the Chi-Chi, he already knows. And at 3 in the morning, I ran out to CVS for the hand breast pump. And this one, I was prepared for this baby. My friend brought me this, and I knew exactly what to do. What is it? Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Okay, so I hope that this helped out. I wanted to make it super quick. Yes. Because there's no such thing as a break for me or for you if you are in need of releasing the engorgement. So I hope this helped out. Best of luck. And one thing that I figured out is that if you can go through this engorgement period, because you're gonna be like this for like 2 days. Yes? And then your boobs are gonna be really swollen. Max, please stop. Please stop. Please. And your boobs are gonna be really swollen for about a week. If you can get past this phase, your breastfeeding experience is gonna be so much better. Yes? Say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.